Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Myself Gaur Sharma. Today we will discuss the vacancies in the Bamal Orient company, which is a mini Ratna category of company. So there is two vacancies. The first one is the assistant manager and the second one is the deputy manager in finance and accounts. So these vacancies in the for the Manali location, that is in Chennai, and the vacancies for the E1 and E2 category of the Bamal Orient company. So about the company is under the Ministry of Petroleum. Company having a good track record of profit, having presence in all over the state in India, and some joint venture outside India also. Company looking the professional for their strategic business unit in the grease and lubricant profile. And for the, if we talk regarding the assistant manager position, so for the assistant manager position, the company required the professional having the competency, chartered accountant and the CMA, and the experience requirement for the assistant manager position is the 1 year only. So that is the requirement that is specified in the company, 1 year. But the company prefer to those professional having experience in the SAP FICO. That person having, because the company having a software SAP FICO for the accounting. So if any person having the SAP course, they can apply for the assistant manager post, that is the E1 category. If we move to the another position, that is the deputy manager, that is the second position in the E2 category. So in that position, the experience requirement is the 5 years, and the same condition apply here. The requirement of the software, that is the SAP FICO. If you have if you satisfy the eligibility, you can apply to the company portal directly. Attach below the link with this video. And about the job pay, the pay is very good. You can check with the notification, and the company having a good track record, having various awards regarding the employment to the good employment employer, and that being a mini Ratna category, having good track record of the records of the revenue also. So you can apply this post. I can attach the notification with this video. Thank you.